Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
This full guide shows how to use connected chopsticks step by step. Hold the connected chopsticks like traditional chopsticks with one hinge above your fingers. Each chopstick measures 9 inches and weighs 15 g per arm for balance. Adjust the hinge to create a 0. 2-inch gap for a neutral resting position. Place your thumb and middle finger below and index finger above the hinge. Practice opening and closing slowly until tips align each time. Start with larger items and then progress to small grains of rice. Position tips parallel and use gentle pinching motion to grasp food securely. Squeeze with about 25% more pressure than loose chopsticks for a reliable grip. Open tips about 3-5 inches for larger pieces and 1 inch for small items. Rotate your wrist slightly to adjust angle without shifting the hinge position. Practice transferring items between bowls to improve coordination and speed. Use silicone tips or textured grips if slippery foods like noodles challenge you. Start with chilled and firm foods before trying hot or oily varieties. After use, wash connected chopsticks with warm water at 110 degrees F and mild soap. Dry them immediately and store flat in a case to avoid warping over time. Tighten the hinge with a small screwdriver by a quarter turn if parts feel loose. Replace silicone tips every 6 months or sooner when wear reduces grip performance. For wooden models, apply a thin coat of food-safe oil every 3 months. If hinge corrodes, stop use and contact manufacturer for a replacement or repair.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.